Hello everyone. Previously we have learned how to expand the product of two linear algebraic expression using this law that what we call distributive law of multiplication. Sometimes you may refer it to as the rainbow method. That is, so I'm going to zoom in now, that A times bracket B plus C, right? When we do the expansion, we are literally multiplying this. A times B will be AB. A times positive C, both positive, so it will be plus AC. Or, this will be AB. A times negative C will be negative AC. Yep. And some things to take note of before we move on to the examples is that 2 times AB is equal to 2AB. It does not equal to 2A times 2B. Okay, this is important. 2 times A minus over B is equal to, this is important to take note, that it is actually equals to 2 over 1 times A over B, and therefore this will be equals to 2A over B. 1 times B is B. Okay, it does not equals to 2A over 2B. Okay, and bearing that in mind, let's look at 3 examples here. So this is just a quick example. So from here, we will then be able to equals to 2 times 5 is 10. M times A is MA or AM. 2 times 3 is positive 6. M times B is BM or MB. And we are good. Continue the next example. Negative 3x times positive 4x will give me negative 12x. Negative 3x times negative 2y. Negative times negative will give me positive, in this case 6xy. And we are done. And the last example that involves this simply means that we are going to have 4 multiplied by 9. Both are positive, so it's 36. 4 multiplied by negative 2h, negative 8h, negative h, multiplied by positive 9, negative 9h, negative h, multiplied by negative 2h, negative times negative, positive 2h square. This is not the final answer because I do see that there are like terms for me to continue to simplify. So you will see 36, negative 8h and negative 9h. They will make negative 17h. And there is the positive 2h square. And we are done. Important note to take note is that h and h square are unlike terms. So we do not simplify them further, okay? Because we cannot simplify them further, okay? They are unlike terms, unlike terms. We only simplify the like terms. They are unlike terms, okay? And with that, we have come to the end of this very quick recap of how to do distributive law of multiplication on algebraic expressions.